I don't know. This is a brand new. What do you see? It's a brand new mall. It's huge. Look at the size of the fan. Sounds like there's a water feature in here too. Let's start with brand collection. Actually, stuff this. What an awesome sight. What do you think of the waterfall? So the waterfall inside the shopping centre is pretty good, but fountain, sorry. But there's an inherent problem with the design of this waterfall. This poor bloke has to continually clean and sweep up the water.
There's a team of them.
There's a team of them.
I saw it before there was a girl.
So we've been here for about an hour at the shops, and there was one just coming in.
Behind his shirt, there's a company. The name of the company is working for.
Right, so he's going to swap with this guy. Or is he going to let it go for a bit?
Madam Clean.
Madam
That's the
Clean.
company he works for. I think there's a team of them, and they take turns to clean it.
There he goes again.
All day.
He's doing a good job.
I think I've decided this is the most boring job in the world.
Well, he's got a job. And that's the
I know
most
he's got
important
a
thing.
job, but cleaning all day like this.
Yeah. Well, there you go. There's a very, very short, weird and wonderful. Here's his teammate coming over to clean.
Yeah.
So you just walked through where he cleaned. Hang on, are they going
water.
around? Huh?
People don't sleep.
No, but she's walking through the bit that he just cleaned.
Yeah, but he's not cleaning the dirt. He's cleaning the water.
No,
See,
and now
off the
she's
surface.
mopping. Now she's mopping. You're all right. Let's go. Unbelievable.